Hey YouTubers, this is my upload of my brand new Milwaukee cordless hammer drill model 2611-24, which is a M18 cordless drill system developed by Milwaukee. Okay, I'm going to take you through the unboxing process of what the kit contains. Okay, so here we go. You have your two locking handles here. Alright, so here we are, the kit. The kit comes standard with battery, extra battery, charger, the charger batteries, the drill, and an accessory handle. I have put into it a lock to lock the kit when I'm moving, and I have also bought an extra set of hammer drill bits for drilling into concrete, specifically for this drill. Okay, I have other drill bits, but I decided to buy this one to use on this drill. Okay, this is not included. This is sold separately. You have your warranty card. Alright, in our country they give us 2 years warranty, not 5 years and 3 years as listed on the box. You have your charger manual and you have your drill manual, and here you have your drill. Here is my screwdriver bit accessory to screw in. Right. So here we are. Milwaukee cordless hammer drill driver. Firstly, it has two speed settings. Speed number 1 and speed number 2. Speed number 1 is for drilling into wood and stuff like that, screwing into applications. And speed number 2 is more for drilling type applications, fast drilling applications. The drill comes with 3 settings. You have regular drill, screwing in like nuts, bolts and stuff like that, and hammer mode for drilling into concrete and stuff like that. There's also a clutch setting, which you have 24 actual clutch settings, okay, for screwing and stuff like that. And you have a keyless chuck, okay. You have your forward reverse switch and locking. There's also a light for drilling into dark pieces. Okay. There's also a battery meter that tells you when your battery is about to die. Alright, right now it's on 1 bar. When I bought it, it came with 2 bars pre-charged. I have used it last week, right, and I've drilled into some concrete, into some tiles and stuff like that, and you know, so I've only had this drill like about a week now. So far I am impressed with this drill. I was contemplating if to buy a Makita or DeWalt. After much reviews and much research, I decided to go with this Milwaukee because of what Milwaukee gives, and so far honestly I'm satisfied with the drill, its performance and stuff like that. No complaints whatsoever, so I am satisfied. And I bought this drill to do some major work around the house in terms of repairing, do some plumbing repairs into a pump house that we have. So you will see a lot more uploads in relation to this drill and the work it has done. Okay, but overall I'm satisfied and I have no regrets in buying this drill, in purchasing this drill. Okay, so thanks for watching.